Hello, this is Miss Claxton. I am making a quick how-to video of understanding how to, one, make a new file copy of a document, and two, how to share the link when you are finished with the document into Canvas through a submission into text entry, okay? We are struggling with submitting things, and so this is probably going to be the easiest way to do this now and forevermore. So inside of your 2-column guided reading notes with part 5 that you're reading Scarborough Fair Fantasy with pages 58, 59, and 60, you are then taking one of these handouts to work on a new copy of the 2-column notes. I'm going to click the first one because that's the one I've decided to click on. You don't need to do both, just one. And it's going to go to it. Now, when you get here, do not try to edit, write, type, text, nothing. This is not your copy. This is a copy for everyone to make a new copy. So do not request access. Do not flood my emails asking to share it, because that's not what you're supposed to do. It says make a new copy. So you go to File, Make a Copy, change the name, at least at the beginning, to your last or first name, or first and last name, hit OK. And now this is your copy, and you can type, you can edit, you can do anything, and it's yours. It's not someone else's. So watch it open, and now you can write, type, text, anything, draw, create on your Word document, okay? I would also go ahead and X out the original, which is mine. When you are finished and you're ready to submit this, click the share button, but do not email it to me, okay? Do not type my name right here. Instead, you want to get link, the one that looks like a little paper clip. Copy the link, literally click on that and it's copied. And that little button will come up and it'll say link copied. Click out, okay? So I need to put that link into Canvas. Go back into your Canvas where this is. This is your actual place to submit, and it says submit assignment. Click submit assignment. When that happens, in the box below is going to say file upload, text entry, website URL. I'm going to go to text entry. Then I'm going to paste the doc link there. To get this to just have a link, you click on this little guy and you paste the same link in, hit done, and now you have a blue link for me getting into your finished document here. So then you would then submit. If you want to make a comment to me, that's fine. Submit. You're done, okay? Because I'm not going to do this, I'm going to hit cancel. But that showed you, one, how to make a new copy when it asks you ever to make a new copy. It also showed you how to share the link back into the text entry section when you submit and when you're finished. Thank you. I hope this helped.